Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1796 of What You Up To Now. Yes, I have a ridiculous Santa hat with a crown on it because it is Christmas Eve and I'm excited. I'm excited for Christmas this year. It's been an awesome year. I hope it has been for you as well. But we are finishing up this year's annual challenge in just about a week, right? We've got about a week left. Today was day 358. 9, 6 months, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7 days, exactly a week left of this year's annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge. Do one thing every day that improves us in some way. And today and every day in December, I've been asking two questions, two kind of interesting questions. I just got lists off the internet. You know, I could have pulled lists from books, but it's easier just to go online these days and find things. And I randomly wrote out different questions, and then I went through them when I was traveling, and I just picked two and assigned two to each day of the year. Now, the last few days of the year, I don't have my second question, so I get to ask whatever I want because I didn't write down that many questions. I didn't write down 60 questions. I had less than that, but that's okay because one question is kind of a deep, thoughtful question, and then the other question is sort of ridiculous in many aspects. So today it was, does doing a bad deed make you a bad person? And we talked about that a little bit. And the second one was, why do round pizzas come in square boxes? Now, the engineer in me and the manufacturing, I've got, several decades of manufacturing experience under my belt, just like Santa. And that one's pretty obvious, and it's kind of funny, but a lot of people probably never even think about that particular question. So today we're thinking about those two questions as we go about our Christmas preparations or Hanukkah or whatever type of holidays you and traditions you follow this time of year. Most people are celebrating something this time of year, and my family is no exception. I'm actually feeling pretty good. I've got a few things to do to get ready. I want to make some cookies today, but otherwise things are pretty set except for tidying the house. Santa will be here tonight, as will my beautiful granddaughters and my son and daughter and son-in-law, ex-husband even. There you go. There's some Christmas spirit for you. So if I can help you in any way, hit me up. AskPajamaGrandma@gmail.com is my Voxer handle. Voxer is probably the only way you'll get a hold of me today, because I'm not going to be hanging out on my phone or hanging out on my computer, because I have more interesting people to hang out with and more fun things to do today than to be tied to social media. That's it. That's all I've got today. Again, I'm here to help. If you've got a burning desire or a burning question that's bugging you, let me know. Oh, our idiom for today was botch something up. Love this idiom, right? Because I can't remember who said it. Maybe Dan Kennedy or Jay Abraham. I don't remember. It was some marketing guy. But he said, if you're not making a mistake every day, you're not trying hard enough. Maybe it was Tony Robbins. Anyway, maybe it was Jim Rohn. Who knows? All these gurus and all these people start to get jumbled up in my head after a while. So anyway, the truth is, if you're not trying new things, if you're not doing new things, if you're not stretching your comfort zone and stepping your toes outside of it, not much is going on in your life. At least that's my experience. Not much is going on in my life if I'm just doing the same thing day in and day out every day, like showing up on video every morning. That's pretty much in my comfort zone now. Didn't used to be, but now I've done it. I think we're going on 5 years in a row, so it's in my comfort zone. It helps me to structure the rest of my day and the rest of my life and create my content and make sure it gets done every day and it's consistent by just doing it first thing every morning. And you'll notice some days I don't make it first thing in the morning. Life happens, right? It gets in the way. Sometimes technology doesn't work. Sometimes I'm traveling. Sometimes there's reasons. Sometimes I'm sick. I actually get sick once in a while. Haven't been super sick for a while. You hear me coughing and hacking and doing whatever, but that's just normal everyday stuff that we all experience. All right. Again, if I can help in any way, let me know. Otherwise, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever it is you celebrate. Enjoy your family and just enjoy being alive. That's the most important thing. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow, Christmas Day. Have an awesome day.